Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Aftab and this is a weekly forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 15th May 2023 and the week will end on Friday 19th May 2023. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must be enjoying your life. You must be happy and you must have made good profits in the week that ended yesterday. So, last week I have discussed several pairs, including euro dollar, dollar CAD, pound dollar, dollar yen, and dollar Swiss franc, along with pound yen and these other pairs as well. I will be trying to analyze these pairs in this video today and will try to make a video and a forecast for the upcoming week for these other pairs right here that we have right here. So I will definitely need your comments and suggestions and I want to know which pairs my subscribers are more interested in, so that's why I'm just discussing these for now. But if you give me your or if you ask me for any other pair, once I get a request for around five, six pairs, even more than that, I will be uploading another video on discussing those pairs, right? So, where should I start from? First of all, let's have a look at the euro US dollar. This is the previous analysis, and I'm holding a sell all the way from Monday right here. If you see 1.10176, stop already moved to break even, and the take profit seems to be 1.07390. I will be deleting all of it, right? Similarly, on the CAD, nice retest at the support, and it seems it's going back up, so I will be discussing it as well. Pound dollar is very simple, 1.24270. Let's see what we are going to do right here. I am neutral on this one, though it was a very nice sell setup, but I did not took it, right? Because I just take two or three trades on different pairs. Now, dollar yen, obviously, if we see dollar yen, this forecast is available on my channel separately on the dollar yen. And if you, I'm sure you will remember that this trade is 200 pips up till now so far. So it will be part of the video as well. Dollar Swiss franc is also trying to gain some bullish momentum right here, but RSI situation seems to be uh, near overbought, so it will be part of the stream as well. And the yen 168.07. If I'm sure you will remember it, this was my buy zone and this was my sell zone. So overall 327 pips and now it's 120 pips up. So I will be discussing it. If the video length becomes more than usual, bear with me because obviously I'm doing all of this analysis for all of you. So, euro dollar, let's have a look at it. And I will be again trying to do it from scratch, right? Because those traders who have joined me uh, or who are watching me for the first time, they should get a clear idea that what actually I look for when I analyze a market. So here we go with the euro US dollar. First of all, let's have a look at the weekly a little bit and let's find out if there is any Fibonacci that is pointing down. Well, first we have got a break above from the Fibonacci, and if we see this impulsive wave, uh, no, still no. I have to look for this one, most probably this one or this one. So yes, the weekly Fibonacci comes in right here at 1.12684. I will be changing the color of it to select something light. Okay, so 1.12684 is the weekly resistance. Most probably we may find some strong resistance at this level, right? Some consolidating markets right here. A very bad period for the Euro US dollar. It was a very, very bad period, right? Most of the traders have like problem taking the decision during this zone, but it was also an easy one, right? But like, see, if we see this one and if we see this one, it was obviously pointing down, which completed right here. So sort of like an ugly shape pattern, you can say. On the weekly, this is the whole situation, and I will be finding out another place where market can potentially stop. And now let's delete. So these are now the two zones with me. Now I have marked this zone, just have a look at it. This is a breakout point. This is also a retest of the a break below, a retest, the continuation, and back again a breakout. And obviously this weekly pattern is pointing towards most probably to the top. So let's see this one. See how nicely it's going to complete near 1.12684. Now move on to the daily. Now, since we have a weekly plan that is obviously pointing down, what I can look for, especially in the upcoming week, is obviously 1.07426 will be for me of equal importance. And why this is like for equal importance? Because just have a look at it right here. If I complete this pattern, let's have a look at it. Where will it complete? Most probably it will be completing near 1.12684. So let's suppose you are holding a sell position and you have a target of 1.02108 in mind, then I think your stop loss should be then above this, right? If you are holding a sell from here, then your stop should be 323 pips and your take profit should be 881 pips. And this will be long term. It can take 1 month, it can take 2 months. It depends on how much volume and volatility we get in the market. So Euro at the moment is showing a drop till 1.07426, and even it can continue down because we have another support right here. So I will be finding out ways that how we can actually trade it because obviously from 1.07426 it will be showing a clear buy, right? But if let's say if I'm focusing on the buy trade from right here, does that mean that in the upcoming week I will ignore this bearish candle, this low volume candle, another low volume candle, a low volume bearish candle, and a strong volume bearish candle? So does that make any sense to take a buy right here? Well, yes, if I get a rejection or sort of like uh, sup- like a double bottom on the H4, then yes, I will be taking it. I will be taking this buy trade. But like on the H4, if we see major structures are broken, just have a look at it. and we are getting like a U shape kind of reversal right here. So market is most probably going to stop there 1.07, and let me show the importance of this 1.07 on a lower time frame. First, see, we have a rejection from here. We have gain momentum, a bullish one. We got a break above, then the market took a retest of this support and it continued up. It was supposed to go down from here. It gave a breakout. When the breakout, see, it got a rejection and the market continues straight up. Let's have a look at this zone in the past a little bit. See, a very nice one right here as well. So 1.07 426 seems to be a nice buy zone, and there will be several setups. Number one will be like this on the H4, a buy from 1.07 and a TP near 217. So overall, it seems a very good and nice and very perfect trade opportunity on the euro dollar. No fresh sells are advised at the moment because we can get sort of like a support right here. And on Monday, see, if we get a rejection from here, it will be a golden opportunity with all of you to take a fresh sell trade near 1.09960. So I will be personally waiting for it, for this correction to the top, and then a sell from there, and then 250 pips worth of take profit. Dollar CAD, if we see quickly on the weekly, just like last week, what I have discussed, I was saying that this is going to be a tiny bullish momentum, you should say. We have got this W pattern as well. Stay with me. This is so much important to understand this pattern. And see, a very nice W pattern to the top. And now it was supposed to take this right here, if you see this candle, and go back up from here, but it gave a break to the bottom and it stopped near this support zone. So let's run a fresh analysis on it. Let's move to the daily and let's find out what's going on. First of all, this whole bearish story started from all the way from right here, a 61. I gave you this trade and 440 pips. It was supposed to complete this ABCD pattern, and dollar CAD is no doubt still on this ABCD pattern, right? Right here, where my buy trades are waiting, right? Some limits right here. So this is like the actual plan. Now it got support from here, it went back up, it got support from there, it went back down. So sort of like a indecision going on in the market. So it's overall showing me bullish. So let's see if we have got another level. Let's see from here. This whole impulsive wave, a 61.8 bounce. So this bounce is showing me for the bulls, this will be perfect. For the bulls, it will be showing me an up move till 161.8 extension of the Fibonacci 1.44827 it will be showing. So overall, this is like pointing to the top. We have got a little sort of like a channel right here. Let's see, we have got a breakout, then a break in right here. So I have to adjust it like this. Then we have got a breakout, a retest, and a break in. So I will need to adjust it as well. Now we have like 1, 2, 3 touches right here, and I will be adjusting it. Instead of right here, I will be putting it right here. And just have a look at it. This is what it's showing me. If I get a break above 1.36440, then I must definitely be taking it towards 1.44827. So this is overall a very nice and beautiful trading setup. For intraday levels, these are also good for taking sell trades. Pound dollar, if we see, is clearly down towards 1 point. Even I have discussed it several times, but it is now clearly down towards 1.21370, right here 1.21. 421, sorry, 1.21421. It's going to approach this zone. So all the bears who are holding the sell positions will get 500 pips right here, and their stops are already moved to break even. Though if pound wants to continue its bearish rally on the weekly, definitely we can cover all of these good levels to trade. We have 161.8 extension as well. Let's have a look at the H4 and let's find out what's going next. If the first thing first, if you want to take a sell, just wait for the market to go back up to 1.25890, and from there take a fresh sell trade, and your target will be almost like a stop of around 106 pips can give you 241 pips of take profit, and this will also be complete right here. So pound dollar overall is completely bearish and seems like it will be bearish in the next week. It can find some sort of support near 1.23. 1.21421 is the level. Let's see what happens next. Dollar yen, I will leave the link of the video in the description, and I will recommend you to watch that video because it reversed in this Fibonacci fan, you can say. It is clearly going up, and there is an impulsive wave which is clearly pointing to the top right here, if you see. So dollar yen seems like it's going up. We just need a close above this zone 61.8, and it will be continue pushing up for 403 pips further. So let's see if we can get any sell trade from there or not. I'm already holding buy positions from this 23.6, or you can say this is also a 61.8. Just have a look at it. I'm holding a position from here. Stops are almost now at this moment 200 pips, and the trade's giving me 672 pips. It came down to 274 pips, and now it is 484 pips, and I'm holding the position. So I might be stopped out at break even, or I will be getting this 140 level. So make sure to watch that dollar yen video. Most of your confusions will be solved. Dollar Swiss franc, if we see, this is moving like very nicely. And first thing first, obviously the daily, if we see, is clearly pointing to the top right here, 61.8% retracement. Not a very good level to look for. Right on the H4, let's have a look at it. We have got a nice up channel, and sort of like you can say a horizontal triangle, you can say. You can see this one. So any break above this zone, if let's say if it breaks like this, it's going up, you are doing nothing. It come back down, you are doing nothing. It started to consolidate right here. It started to consolidate right here. Then what you need to do is you can take a buy. Stop will be right here. With a very minimum stop loss, you can generate 200 pips from here. But remember, like every strategy requires sort of patience, and this breakout point will be so much important for to me, because If you see, we have several rejection from this same area, several rejection from 0.88, let's see what the price is, 0.89836. So seems like it's going back up. If it retraces back down 63 pips, you can take further buy trades. Remember, no live trades are advised at this particular moment. So on demo account, you are most welcome to uh, practice them. Dollar yen took a very nice 61.8, and as I have discussed it, we have got the story from right here on the H4, and usually H4 stories on the pound yen, it moves so fast that it doesn't give us any sort of you can say good reversals or good signals at the moment. Well, if we get a sort of bottom right here followed by a divergence on the RSI, let's see, RSI should be something like this. It should be something like this, right? And if any situation like this occurs and the RSI start to gain bullish wave, then yes, by then the market will be creating something like this. This is market, no one is exactly sure, but this is just a forecast and estimate. And 80% of the time, what happens is what I predict. So then it will be obviously pointing to the top. And if it points to the top, where will be the completion? The completion will be near 174.52. Let's have a look at this zone on the daily and let's find out what's going on. So if we go back right here and if I show you this Fibonacci 61.8, this is the impulsive leg we have. This is the correction, this one, if you see this one. And where is the completion? Let's have a look at it and let's also mark it. 180 it is showing, and right here I'm targeting 174. So seems like a very nice ideal trade setup. A nice one, I should say, a very nice one, followed by this trend line. And yes, if the trend line breaks to the bottom side, then wait for it to retest and right here take a sell trade. I definitely will be discussing that in another video. One thing here I want to tell you is that please send me your charts or the names of the pairs. Also tell me if you are a day trader or if you are a long-term trader or a weekly trader, so that I can separately make videos on these other pairs. Next in my list is the Aussie dollar, US dollar. It's been quite a while since I have not discussed it, but most probably its chart will be similar to gold, US dollar. Gold, I will discuss that tomorrow, same time you are watching this video right now. So Aussie dollar, let's see, is like clearly in a bearish zone. And if you remember, this was the trade setup. I will find out the video sometime during the live stream and will play it to you that how I took this trade and then I get out of the trade with 800 pips of profit. So on the long term, it is clearly stuck in a sort of like you can say a range, a false breakout, a bit of false breakout, and then a range. So it is like most probably the market will be going further down. Well, the impulsive wave is showing a down move towards the recent support on in March 2020. So let's see, this is weekly, it may take couple of months. Let's have a look at the daily, and the daily if we see is showing a down move, but on the H4 there will be some bullish attack expected. Let's see if that is expected or not. I have to see. I think the Fibonacci is breached. Okay, it's broken. Yes, exactly, it's broken. It gave a lower low. So let's wait for a retest and then continue back down. So one thing I want to tell you everyone is that uh, whenever you trade, try to wait for the market. And each and every time the main purpose of my strategy is to let myself be ready for taking some trades at my desired level, right? I wait for the price to come to me whether I want to buy or want to sell. I always wait for the price to come to me, and when it comes to me, I take it and then I make profit out of it. So, overall, in the upcoming week, there are very good setups expected. I will update you about these pairs during the week, maybe in separate videos or maybe in the daily Forex forecast videos. So, let's see. Make sure to give me your feedback in the comment section down below. My WhatsApp number is also given in the description. So I have few seats left if anyone wants to join my premium sessions. You are most welcome. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.